Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the descender zone is unlocked and the map marker is active. Do this so you avoid backtracking. Once done, equip a reliable light source, mobility upgrades, and 2 healing items because survival trumps speed early. Next, scan the approach for 3 unique environmental interactables. These are the hooks that trigger shortcuts or extra loot. As you enter, move deliberately toward the nearest interactable. This first chain of actions creates momentum and reduces risky improvisation. You continue by committing to the core route while tagging 2 secondary paths as backups. This keeps options open if a shortcut is blocked. Make sure to trigger interactables in the specific order that opens shortcuts. Doing them out of order wastes time and may respawn foes. Prioritize ranged threats first, then clear grouped enemies to keep flanks safe. Move between cover and interactable points with short bursts. This pacing conserves resources and prevents you from getting overwhelmed during the middle sequence. You finish by executing the final trigger sequence that opens the extraction route and then immediately grab the primary objective. Hesitation invites enemies. Once you have it, backtrack using the shortcuts you opened. This minimizes exposure and speeds extraction. If things go wrong, a reliable troubleshooting move is to exit the zone and re-enter after 30 seconds. This often resets stuck mechanics and enemy positions. When you re-enter, reassess which secondary path is safest and adjust your pace to conserve resources for extraction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.